In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make tracing letters in Canva. If you've ever tried to build a preschool worksheet or a simple alphabet tracing printable, you already know the tricky part is making the letters look clean, light, and easy for a child to trace. The good news is that Canva makes this much easier than trying to draw everything by hand. We're going to set up the page correctly, style the letters so they look like tracing guides, and then export the final file for printing. Start by opening Canva in your web browser and signing in to your account. Once you're on the home dashboard, go to the top right area and click Custom Size. This is important because we want to create a page that prints properly on standard paper instead of guessing and fixing sizing issues later. When the custom size panel opens, change the unit from pixels to inches, then enter 8.5 for the width and 11 for the height. That gives you a standard US letter page, which is ideal for most classroom worksheets and home printables. After that, click Create New Design. Canva will open a fresh blank page. Before adding any text, go to File, then View Settings, and turn on Show Margins. This gives you a visual safety area so your letters and lines don't end up too close to the edge when printed. Now let's add the letters. On the left side, click Text, then choose Add a Heading. A text box will appear on the page. Type the letter or group of letters you want, such as A, B, C, D. From the top toolbar, choose a simple, easy-to-read font that works well for children's materials and increase the size so the letters are large and clear. Next comes the key effect that turns solid text into tracing text. Select the text box, click Effects in the top toolbar, and choose Hollow. This removes the filled center and leaves you with outlined letters that are much better for tracing practice. To make them even more child-friendly, click the transparency icon and lower the opacity to around 25 or 30%. That creates a light guide instead of a dark, distracting letter. To make the worksheet look more polished, go to Elements and insert a straight line from the Lines and Shapes section. Place it underneath the text, then use the top toolbar to change the line style to dashed. As you move things around, Canva's alignment guides will help you snap the letters and lines into place neatly. Finally, review the layout and make sure the spacing looks even. Then click Share, choose Download, change the file type to PDF print, enable crop marks and bleed, and download your finished file. That's it. You now have a clean tracing letter worksheet made directly in Canva. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the